Hi, it's Tamara here from the EFT Training Centre, and it's day 18 of my daily tapping videos. So if you are watching this, then please do share, because a lot of people are worried about getting the virus. Now, a very small population actually have the virus right now as it stands. But I would say that near enough 100% of the population have the virus of fear. And these videos that I'm making are here in order to make the tapping virus even bigger than the fear virus, so that we can release the fear and become healthier and survive this pandemic. So if you're watching this now, then if you feel like it, go ahead and share so that other people can benefit. Now, I've had a little sore throat for a few days, on and off, and normally I wouldn't even notice it, but because I'm become hyper aware of my health right now, I'm thinking, is it the virus? Is it not the virus? And then this morning, early in the morning, I had this coughing fit. I was like, oh, that must be the virus. Is it the virus? Is it not the virus? And I don't know about you, but I'm sure I'm not the only one who is thinking, have I got it? And then fear coming in, even though for most people it's not a big deal, or it's just unpleasant, but it's not the end of the world. But I think there's been so much hype about it that it's become this scary thing. So if you're in the same boat as me, this tapping is for you. So if you haven't done EFT before, it stands for Emotional Freedom Techniques. It's like acupuncture for emotions without the use of needles. And the invitation is to do what I do and say what I say. And if you don't like what I do or say, then simply don't do it. But if you do, then you agree to take responsibility for your own well-being. Now, we are going to be touching our faces. So the important thing is if you haven't washed your hands or hand sanitized, and I haven't got my hand san here, so I'm just going to do that now. Sorry about that. Here it is. Okay, so tapping on the side of the hand, even though I might have the virus, I don't know, and I've become hyper aware of all my physical symptoms, and that's brought up fear and worry and anxiety. I acknowledge my physical symptoms, and I acknowledge my emotions around this. And even though I've got these physical symptoms, and maybe I've got the virus, and everyone's talking about the virus right now, and it's bringing up a lot of fear, I'm acknowledging that fear just as it is and just as it isn't. Have I got the virus? I've got a sore throat, and I had a coughing fit. So if these things aren't true for you, just change the wording to say what your symptoms are. And what if I've got it? And I'm scared and worried and anxious. So just notice what exactly you're worried and scared and anxious about. It might be I'm scared about being ill. I'm scared about the people I've been in touch with because they're vulnerable. Maybe I could have given it to them. Or maybe it's scared I'm going to die. Or maybe it's I'm in the vulnerable category and I'm really worried. So just acknowledging the feelings, emotions, and body sensations that you're experiencing right now. I'm scared I'm going to get the virus. I'm scared I've got the virus. And what do I do with the people I live with? If we all get it together, that would be awful. And just acknowledge when you think about all these thoughts and you feel the fear or the anxiety or the worry, where do you feel that in your body? So just noticing where you feel it. And just breathing in calm into that area. So take a deep breath in as you breathe in calm. And if that calm had a colour, what colour would it be? So when I think of calm, I think of pale turquoise. So I'm going to breathe pale turquoise calm into my body. Breathing pale turquoise calm into my body. And noticing where you feel your body sensations. Are you feeling it in your throat? Are you feeling it in your chest? Have you got a headache? And wherever you're feeling that, just tune into that sensation. And if that sensation had a colour, what colour would it be? The sensation of the discomfort in that part of your body. And as you think about that sensation, if it had a colour, what colour would that be? And now just imagine, visualise or get a sense that there's a colour that could lift and lighten the colour of the uncomfortable sensation. So if the uncomfortable sensation is a sore throat and it feels grey, then the colour that could lift and lighten that, whatever colour comes to mind, maybe it's yellow. So if that's the case, imagine, visualise or get a sense that the yellow is mixing and merging with the grey and lifting and lightening it. And take a deep breath in. And if you're not very good with colours, just guess. Whatever you guess is going to be the right colour. So I'm breathing in more calm. And I'm breathing in more peaceful colours into the discomfort. And breathe that in now. I'm noticing my feet on the ground and my body in the chair. I'm noticing my breath just as it is and just as it isn't. And I'm coming into this present moment and take a deep breath. Even more calm, even more peace. I want vibrant health. I want super immunity. And I'm open to the possibility of infusing into every cell of my body an abundance of vibrant health energy and super immunity. And radiating that vibrant health energy and super immunity into every fibre of my being, out around me, into the people I live with, into all members of my family, into members of my community. Vibrant health and super immunity into all the people in my country and the whole planet. We can all recover and heal together. I'm open to the possibility of that being my truth, and bringing even more vibrant health energy and super immunity to all corners of the planet. And put your hands in the center of your chest and say transform, and take a deep breath. Transform. So do repeat this video as often as you need to, especially if you're feeling unwell. And if you know anyone who could benefit from it, please do click on the share button. The more people that can benefit from the tapping, the more we can eradicate the fear virus. So stay well, stay calm, be strong. We can do this. Bye.